Let's now leave the world of articles and video scripts and let's move on to another topic where ChatGPT can help us a lot. It is the job of a copywriter. Copywriting, in case you never heard of that before, means writing the written content, the so-called copy, for marketing materials. Now, this sounds a bit generic. A copywriter has to understand the target audience of a specific product or a specific service, and based on this understanding, the copywriter has to promote the product or service as good as possible. So the idea is to engage somebody, a copywriter, to write texts for you that promote your products or services. Now, examples would be website content here. On your website, you want to make sure that visitors sign up for your newsletter, for example. And writing the engaging text to encourage people to do so can be the job of a copywriter. Copywriters can also be used for social media posts. There, the goal could be that people who visit your social media page should be encouraged to visit your website, where you, for example, sell a product or anything like that. You could also engage a copywriter for email campaigns. In this email campaign, you could make sure that people who open your marketing email should be encouraged to buy a specific product. Now, in the end, it cannot be strictly distinguished between these different channels and these different goals. You can also have website content that encourages people to buy a product, or you can send emails where you market your website. So these are just examples. Basically, it's all about writing texts to market your product, to market your service. And with ChatGPT, we now have the chance to write such texts targeted for a specific audience better and easier than ever before.